Very good morning to one and all present here. So, same timing, same show. Today, we are going to start with Unit 10th, which talks about life insurance. All the marine insurance, health insurance are general insurance, but when we talk about life insurance, so it is directly related with the life of an individual, wherein we are doing the policy of an individual. There is no ship, there is no bike, there is no car. So, life insurance is a policy which covers the risk of premature death. For example, we always say कि अरे उसकी अभी एज नहीं थी but he is no more, और उसकी एज नहीं थी but she is no more. So in that case, due to life uncertainty, people go for life insurance policies. They pay some premium amount, or they pay monthly basis or annually basis, whatever they want, and this is how life insurance works, and it promises to pay a benefit at the death of a particular person. Life insurance is a legally binding contract that pays a death benefit to the policy owner when the insured person dies. So always, if you have seen, always we have some nominee, because when the particular person of those whose policy we have taken and he is no more, so who is going to take the policy? That's why we have a nominee, so that the nominee can have the advantage and he or she will not be suffering from any financial issues. That's why we have a life insurance. For a life insurance policy to remain in force, the policyholder must pay a single premium upfront or pay regular premiums over time. So this is what I was talking about. We have to pay the premiums also on the regular basis, or the over the time, over the period of time. So the rest of the family can be insured. The rest of the family can be assured a good lifestyle, a good, wealthy and healthy life. So ultimately, the name of the beneficiaries will be there in the policy, so that they will have the death benefit. What is the need of the life insurance? Why do you think that yes, it is very much needed? Because nowadays it is not, we are not limited to the extent of only bike, only car. We also need a security of our life. That's why the life insurance is needed. It secures the future of the financial family's financial future, in which we are securing the families, because all parents want to take their child to be taken care of even when they are not around. That's why the life insurance is a big thing which all the parents of this generation, or the previous generation, or the upcoming generation will be taking up. It also accomplishes your financial goals, because we all have some goals in our life for which money is to be saved. And we always talk about the saving also. We always talk about investing also. So why do we always talk about this thing? Because we want our goals to be taken care of. We want our goals to be accumulated, so that our funds will be there, our money will be there, and some accumulation of the amount will be there to achieve the goals which we want to achieve. Third one is brings peace of mind. What is peace of mind basically? When we are insured, when we think that yes, our life is assured, or our family members' lives are assured, we are at the peace of mind, because life is uncertain and life insurance can offer a financial assistance to your family when you are no longer with them. And that is a very important point. We also talk about the retirement plans. Why do we talk about retirement plans? So that after retirement, after age of 60 or 65, the people who have retirement plans will not be dependent on anybody, so that they receive a particular amount of money, particular amount of income, which they can invest, which they can have the full use of. Fourth one is tax. Generally, it is also exempted from the tax. So to save their own income tax, people are also doing the same. For saving the tax, people are saving the families. So I think both the things are right, and both the things should be done, so that the one at the point of time life should be saved. Then next one is, what are the functions of life insurance? It gives the protection, it has the certainty, and it also prevents from the risk lossing, and growth of large companies will be there. So what happens? Protection. What is protection basically? The protection is basically, providing us the benefits, providing us the against the risk or the losses or the uncertainties or the accidents which could be made. And insurance is a defensive product, protect towards economic loss due to uncertainty by sharing risk with the pool of insured people. What happens कि ऐसा नहीं होता है कि सबके साथ एक ही बार में प्रॉब्लम आ गई. Somebody, you must be having problems, sometime your friend must be having some problems, sometimes I can also have some problems. So the amount which you people have invested can be given to me at a certain point of time so that I can be rest assured. Next time, what will happen if somebody else is having the problem? So our own accumulated money will be providing to them. So this is how the pool of insured people works into the picture. What is certainty? One of the primary function of insurance, common across functions of life insurance as well as the functions of general insurance, is providing certainty. We have a certain we have a certain expectation that yes, this is something I will be getting. This is something, it will be easier for me to start my life with zero. This is something I will be getting in return so that the life will be certain. Then, if we talk about prevention of loss or prevention of risk, this is something when we are taking the assistance, when we are, providing the institutions wherein we can prevent the losses, it is always welcoming. When the insurance claims are reduced directly or indirectly, lower your annual premium cost, which is based on the risk sharing principle. What happens when we are having some issues or when we are having some losses, or we want to prevent our losses or risk? Then what happens? We always look for the companies, or we always look for the people who can assist us for the better future, for the better prevention to mitigate our losses or risk. Risk or loss sharing. What is it? When we are in a pool, so each and every individual is sharing with us, each and every individual is subjected to risk, and each and every investor is helping us out directly or indirectly. Because insurance is a pool of amount, insurance is a pool of money wherein people from across the world investing and investing, and the one person or the persons who are suffering from that losses will be paid back, and it is the way how they are using their money as a tool. Then next one is growth of large companies. It will ultimately be providing the growth of the large companies because more risk and more gain. I think it is a basic phenomenon which we have already read in many of the cases, many of the lifetime areas. No pain and no gain. So same is the case with the growth of the large companies. When the larger companies are at more risk, they are more diversifying towards the profitable model. Insurance becomes the most important factor for such large companies to cover the potential risk and keep moving forward towards the growth of the company. So this is how the growth of the companies, the risk sharing, prevention of risk, protection, certainty, it is all important for the purpose of growing the organization. We all are having the problems in the life insurance because life is uncertain. So we, at this point of time, we all are sitting together. At the next step, maybe we are no more. And this happens in a real world. कि कल ही तो हमने उससे बात की थी और आज वो इस दुनिया में नहीं है. So this is what the life insurance is when you are much protected about your own family members and you are taking something which could help them in a long future. That's why we do the life insurance policies. Thank you so much, everybody, for your patience. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will meet again with the same timing, same show with the next unit. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.